The prediction for SNX Crypto is that it is currently at its lowest price level. Since 2024, it has been declining until now, although there are occasional rallies of around 2x. It currently has a market capitalization of about $82 million, which means that even though the price has dropped, the main investors are still holding on. By main investors, this refers to investors from the project or company itself. In the long term, it depends on the project, whether there will be new partnerships that can attract investors. So far, since 2022, there have been no significant changes in this token, and it has continued to decline up to now. Going forward, it is possible that the token may announce new developments or updates, but at the moment there is no clear signal to buy or invest as it is still in a downtrend.